Start by logging into your partner's portal from the partners page on windsorbrokers.com or directly at bisc.myuserhub.com. If you are not already registered as a Windsor Brokers Introducing Broker or partner, click on the Sign Up option and follow the registration steps to create your account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard, which provides an overview of your account activity, including your earnings, client registrations, deposits, rebate offers, and performance metrics. From your portal home, you can access your commission accounts, withdraw your earnings, or transfer funds between your accounts. You can also copy your unique rebate offer links to share with your referrals. In the Payments section, you will find a breakdown of all your commission accounts and balances, as well as your Payment Hub account. You can withdraw or transfer funds between your accounts. Under Cashback Profiles, you can find all your client cashback offers. Here, you can create new offers or edit your existing ones. To access detailed reports, navigate to the Reports section. Here, you can view and download various reports on your clients' trading activities, including client profiles, trading activity, payment, rebate, as well as your Master IB reports. Under More, you can access and edit your account settings, update your personal documents, and download Windsor Brokers MT4 or MT5 platforms on your preferred device. If you need assistance or have any questions, the Support section provides access to Windsor Brokers expert support services for clients and partners. You can access the Windsor Brokers Help Centre, submit a ticket, or use the live chat feature to get immediate assistance. Alternatively, you can view Windsor Brokers' direct contact details in the Contact section. Finally, make sure to regularly check the Notifications section for live market updates and important information about our latest features, promotions, and other updates related to your partner account. Thank you for watching.